Hello and welcome back. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm just going to show you how I make the best chicken seasoning in the world. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So, I'm going to need some cloves, some anise. I'll just put them together and just mash them up. I'll get a big enough bowl and come in with my Maggi chicken seasoning. Next, I'll add the cloves and onions, powdered broth, paprika, curry, ginger powder, garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, rosemary and basil mix, Thai curry, onion powder, chili powder, some chili flakes, salt to taste. I'll squeeze in some lemon juice, dark soy sauce, and finally some virgin olive oil. I'll go ahead and mix it up. So as you can see, this seasoning is ready and I use this for all my chicken recipe. Like if you love spicy chicken, you need to give this a try. Like it comes out great. Just add it to your chicken, grill it, fry it, boil it, however you want your chicken, put the seasoning on it, and you're gonna thank me later. I hope I did help you, and I hope you're gonna give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.